Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to create an authentication token using Aiven Console as well as the Aiven CLI. This is the Aiven Console. Let's see how we can create an authentication token from the Aiven Console. From the top right corner, which is user information, you can find the authentication tab. From here, we can click on generate token. And here we can give a meaningful description. For example, I'll use this token for Terraform. You can mention a max age hours for this token in hours. So let's say I'll work for 8 hours and after that I wanted this token to expire. So I can put 8. This is an optional value. If you don't want the token to expire, you can leave this field blank. And then I hit generate token. One key thing to remember is you will not see this token again. So it's better that you copy this token and keep it somewhere safe. And this is how we generate a token from the Aiven console. Now let's see how we can create an authentication token using the Aiven CLI. Let's check out the documentation first. This is docs.aiven.io and I'm here to create a new access token. So let's copy this over. I have a handy little button to copy it. And I have Aiven CLI installed. So let's say this is again to be used in my Terraform testing. So I can add a description. And then I can also pass a max age seconds. So with this flag, let's say I want this token to be valid for 1 hour. So I mentioned 3600 seconds. So when I try to create this token, I see that user error, not authenticated. So that's because I am not logged in to the Aiven CLI. Remember when we created the authentication token from the web console? That's when I was already logged into the console. In the CLI, I have to do Aiven user login. And this is where you can do a password-based authentication or a token-based authentication. So I'll pass on the -- token flag and reuse the token which we just created for me to authenticate to the Aiven CLI. So here I'll pass on my email. If you have any question about Aiven or anything open source database related, feel free to shoot me an email. And here is where I'll pass in that token. So let's see where I have my token. It's right here. And there you go. So now Aiven CLI knows who I am. So let's try to create that token again. Aiven user access token create, a description for the token, and a max age seconds. Now once we do that, the token creation is successful. And you can see that I have one more token here. And again, you'll see that only once. So please make a note of that. In this video, we learned how we can create an authentication token using the Aiven console as well as the Aiven CLI. See you in the next Aiven Developer Education video.